Hey, well, welcome back on this beautiful Thursday morning. Today is the opening day of the Eastern Oregon Film Festival. Yeah, if you like movies, go check out some independently made films by either local filmmakers or maybe regional filmmakers. What you're looking at is the freshly crowned, leveled, and crowned and cleaned fretboard of a kit guitar. It's a Les Paul, built by Kent Hopkins. He's asked me to finish this bad boy up. And I'm at my favorite point of every guitar, and that is the linseed oil. I love this. This is so much fun to watch this wood just come sparkling to life. Just an amazing appearance to watch it go from this, to this. It's like watching somebody do finish on a hardwood floor. If you've never seen that happen, man, it is a remarkable, beautiful process to watch that dry, kind of boring wood just burst into life. And there it is. Now with linseed oil, you could see it was like light brown, and it didn't look terribly healthy. It looked very dry. And by putting that linseed oil on there and wiping off every last bit that remains, you don't want to leave anything puddled on there. I say this in every video, but I've seen it far too many times. And it makes your guitar neck look terrible. You get these real shiny spots out in places where you've left a little puddle, and then the rest of it will look like it should. But it also creates some odd feeling areas on a guitar neck if you leave linseed oil on there too thick. I know there are a couple of guitars here in town that the owners have done that, and I do encourage people to use linseed oil. And again, my reason for using it is that if Keith Richards' guitar tech uses it on Keith's guitars, it ought to be good enough for yours, or better than what you've been using. Lemon oil is just simply mineral oil. It works great. You can use butcher block oil, anything to treat this.
Sounds good.
And that's what we do. And I have gotten very close to putting strings on this instrument today, and just kind of wiping off the excess oil that sets on the frets and kind of dulls them and make them nice and shiny. They look beautiful. They feel great. They have a freshly leveled and crowned, and I am at the moment where it's time to put strings on this guitar. And what I'll do, this guitar has never had strings on it, and what I'm going to do on YouTube is I'm going to film. I'll put strings on it and tune them up, stretch them. I'm going to play. I will not play a chord on this guitar until it is set up, strings are stretched. I will not play a chord on it off camera. I absolutely will not. You will be a witness to the first chord ever played on this guitar. Not many people will get to see that in the world. So stay tuned. I don't know how soon that'll happen. I have some appointments that I'm going to be taking care of today here at the shop. I get to go install a UHF wireless lapel mic for a local religious establishment, and that'll take me about an hour and a half maybe. We'll see. I hope you all are having a wonderful Thursday. It's the opening day of Film Festival. Sons of Guns are playing tonight. Really looking forward to seeing that band. Amazing lineup. Mike Serber, Greg Rollins. I don't know who all's in that band, but I love their album Clutch. Amazing. Go check them out tonight at headquarters. I've purchased a pass, even though I volunteered, my business has volunteered for the film festival for many years, and we've kind of cut it out. There's no Biff there. Just would have been nice to have been offered an opportunity to help them with their sound system, and they went to a outside business, probably ordered their material from Amazon or who knows, musician's friend, which really sucks. It was kind of uncool in my book, but that's my take on that. So I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'll be back playing the first chord ever on this Les Paul. Peace.